Hey there, families, ready to join Ziggy the Explorer on another thrilling adventure? Today, we're traveling to a land of ancient myths and vibrant culture, Greece. Fasten your seatbelts because it's going to be a wild ride. First stop, Athens. Imagine walking through the towering columns of the Parthenon, just like the ancient Greeks did thousands of years ago. Did you know it was built as a temple dedicated to Athena, the goddess of wisdom and war? Pretty cool, right? Let's hop in our time machine and zoom back to around 500 BC. The streets of Athens are bustling with philosophers like Socrates and Plato, debating everything under the sun. People gather in the Agora, a lively marketplace, buying and selling goods, sharing ideas and shaping the future. Next, we're off to the beautiful island of Crete. Here we find the legendary palace of Knossos. It's said to be the home of the mythical Minotaur, a creature that's half man, half bull. Spooky, but don't worry, Ziggy's not afraid. He's ready to explore every inch of this ancient labyrinth. Time to jump forward a few centuries. We're now in the heart of the Byzantine Empire. Ziggy's exploring the stunning mosaics and grand churches that tell the story of a rich and powerful civilization. Can you imagine the glittering gold and vibrant colors shining in the sunlight? It's a feast for the eyes. But wait, there's more. Let's sail through the crystal clear waters of the Aegean Sea. These islands are not only beautiful, but packed with history. On the island of Rhodes, Ziggy visits the Colossus of Rhodes, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. Even though it's long gone, you can almost hear the whispers of ancient sailors as they pass through the harbour. Now it's time for some modern fun. Ziggy's heading to Santorini, where whitewashed houses dot the cliffs and the sunsets are simply magical. It's the perfect spot to relax after a day of adventure. And don't forget to try some delicious Greek food, souvlaki, moussaka and baklava. Ziggy's tummy is rumbling already. As the sun sets over the Mediterranean, Ziggy says goodbye to Greece. But don't worry, the adventure never ends. There are so many more places to explore, cultures to discover and history to uncover. Thanks for traveling with Ziggy the Explorer today. Remember, every place has its own incredible stories just waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun. See you on the next adventure.